G'day everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to do a whole roast chicken in our 14 litre air fryer. Now there's the chicken. All we've done at the moment is we've tied the legs up, and Mum actually parboiled some rice, and we've stuffed rice inside the chicken, and we've tied the legs up, as you can see there. And you can see the string, but we've tied the legs up. Put a few herbs and spices on it. Bit of oil, as you can see there, we've got sunflower oil. Okay, so I'm just going to drip a little bit of oil on it. Okay, so just a little bit of oil, not much, just a little bit over to coat it, and just rub the oil in. Okay, doesn't have to be too much. A bit of salt and pepper, there you go. A bit of salt, a bit of pepper. Bit of salt. Okay, bit of salt. Okay, we're going to put a bit of oregano on it. There you go. Squeeze a bit of lemon on it. Oh, always goes all over you. I've placed the chicken, as you can see there, on a tray, small tray. There you go. And we're going to put it in our air fryer oven, which is this unit here. Now there's no lights on the display because we're having a few problems with it, but I know the power button's roughly there. There you go. It says 190. Yeah, that's 190, that's fine. But we're going to put it in there for about an hour. But obviously we'll check it. So we're going to put it for an hour at 190 for an hour, and we'll start. There you go. After 30 minutes, I'm going to turn her over. This might be a bit of a hard task, but we'll see if I can grab the chicken and turn her over. Oh, that's hot. That's hot. It's very hot. Okay. Okay, turn it over, and we're going to leave it for another half an hour on that side. Okay, that is the chicken, as you can see. So we turned it over once, so that's the underside of the chicken. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to pull it out and turn it over the other side and sort of finish it off on the top side for another 15-20 minutes. Our oven has just finished. For the extra, I left it for 15 minutes, and basically there we have it, one roast chicken. Here we have the final product, one roast chicken done in an air fryer. So I'll just slowly turn it around. Now I've still have the legs tied up here with a bit of string. There you go, it's my Apple Watch beeping. There you go. So that's one roast chicken done in an air fryer oven. Smells nice. I hope you enjoyed the video. Take care everyone, stay safe. Please like, share and subscribe, and be safe. Bye bye.